towards the kingdom though.
That's right.
Towards the kingdom though. Towards the kingdom of heaven. Not your greedy riches. Not your filthy lucre. Not to the damn coons you worship on the TV that is leading you towards the devil. What you gonna do? You gonna give Satan a lap dance like little Nas X? Or you gonna come and worship the true and living God of the Bible?
That's right.
The God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob, the God of you so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, man.
That's right. That's right.
You ain't hear the trumpet blow? We just blew the trumpet. Watch me blow it again for you. Watch the trumpet blow.
Good.
We get Amos 3 and 6. We get Isaiah 58 and 1.
Bring it on.
This is where the trumpets blow and warn the people of what's happening. Because look what's happening in America. You damn near on the brink of a damn civil war. Joe Biden said he gonna take away your guns. Joe Biden said he about to force a vaccination on you. Joe Biden said no amendment is absolute. So guess what, Negro? What if he tells you that that 13th Amendment and that 14th Amendment is not absolute?
Right.
What you gonna do? You gonna be out here chasing that filthy lucre?
Come.
Or you gonna be out here with your brothers and sisters standing up for Yahweh by Hashem Hamashiach Yahweh Shai, man?
That's right.
Read what you got, King.
This is the book of Amos, chapter 3 and verse 6.
Yeah.
Shall a trumpet be blown in the city?
Shall a what?
Shall a trumpet
Be blown in the city.
Shall a trumpet be blown in the city? Read on.
and the people not be afraid?
And the people not be afraid? You're not afraid of the Most High God? You don't know what power you dealing with? It's the reason why you so simple out here. You so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. Y'all been marching for over 60 years for damn justice and peace. And they get a damn thing yet, man. The damn transgenders got a damn crime bill. And you ain't get no crime bill, black man. The damn Asians done got a crime bill. And you ain't get no crime bill, Hispanic man.
Bring it on.
And to my Native American man, the people that are indigenous to this land, your blood still cries from the soil.
That's right.
You so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, what y'all gonna do when that race war pop off, man? Read that again from the top, King.
This is the book of Amos, chapter 3 and verse 6.
Yeah.
Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and the people not be afraid?
Shall a trumpet be blown in the city and the people not be afraid?
Shall there be evil in the city?
Shall I be what?
Shall there be evil in the city?
The coronavirus.
Shall there be evil in the city?
Black on black crime.
Shall there be evil in the city?
Race wars.
Shall there be evil in the city?
Race soldier cops shooting innocent black men.
Shall there be evil in the city?
Read on.
And the Lord have not done it?
And who?
And the Lord have not done it?
You don't know why the Most High hitting you in flames. You don't know why the Most High is hitting you like oops upside your head. You don't know why the Most High got you out here in the cold, right? Searching for a fun time. Searching because you going stir crazy inside your house from the last lockdown. You had some white supremacists about to kidnap the governor of Detroit because of damn lockdown. They said we about to kidnap this chick, right? You going stir crazy. You wonder why you wearing a mask. Because the Most High has done it, man.
Right.
Let me get Deuteronomy 32 and 39, man.
Bring it on.
Y'all gotta realize who got their foot up in your behind. Most High God got a size of 22 billion up in your behind right now. Size 22 million up in your behind.
That's right.
That's what God is doing, man. Let me get Deuteronomy 32 and 39, man.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 32 and verse 39.
Bring it on.
See now that I am he, and there is no.
What did he say?
See now that I am he, and there is no God with me. I kill.
What the Most High said?
I kill.
What the Most High do?
I kill.
Read.
And I make alive.
Read on.
I wound.
What does Most High do?
I wound.
What God done did to everybody that caught the corona?
I wound.
Read on.
And I heal.
What's the only reason people survived the corona?
I heal.
Read on.
Neither is there any that can deliver out of my hand.
You can't run from the Most High, man. She's a runner. She's a track star. She can't get away from the Most High. She won't get far. She opened up her OnlyFans trying to show off her bra, but then she caught an SCD that last menage. Y'all don't know the judgments of the Most High, man. Y'all better repent because the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Y'all don't know that America is at the brink of nuclear warfare? That China and America is about to fight over Taiwan?